Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Jo here. I would like to do a natural glowy look, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start with my Hamish matcha eye masks. They are such a game changer. One of the number one benefits is that it's brightening and depuffing for tired eyes. Next, we're moving on to the Zellen's toner. The number one benefit here is that it gently exfoliates whilst hydrating, so you get a smoother, brighter skin without any of that tight, dry feeling. It's packed with antioxidants to refresh the skin and prep it for the rest of our routine. I've been trying the Verso Daily Glow, such a multitasker. You can get that lit from within radiance and hydration in one step. It's lightweight but super nourishing and gives you this healthy, natural glow. Sunscreen is an absolute must, and I'm obsessed with the Garnier Vitamin C SPF 50. Not only does it protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays, but it is also packed with vitamin C, so it brightens and evens out your skin tone over time. And it has no white cast either. Let's talk oils now. I'm going in with the NYX oil, which is a classic. I like it because it gives me that under foundation skin glow. Next, I'm going in with the Tropical Elixir oil. It's more of a skin treatment oil, and the best thing about it is that it deeply nourishes and repairs my skin barrier, which is perfect if I'm gonna wear makeup for the day. Moving on to the base, let's talk foundation. I've been using the Ciate London Dewy Skin Foundation, and oh my goodness, it is not only hydrating, but it is the most beautiful match for my skin. And it gives you this soft, radiant look that feels lightweight, but offers great coverage. I'm then pairing it with the Ciate London Concealer, which has been my go-to for covering up those dark circles and little imperfections. It doesn't crease under the eyes and it just melts into your skin. For lips, I've been loving the Rimmel Lip Glass Gloss. I mean, it speaks for itself. Juicy. Lashes next, I'm going in with the Rimmel Mascara. It gives me volume and length without clumping, which is perfect for those big bold eyes we all want. For blush, I'm loving the KW blush. The best thing about this blush, it was made with organic ingredients and it's super gentle on your skin whilst giving you that natural flushed look. I'm going to add a little glow with the Kiko highlighter. This is so stunning and so natural looking. Again, it's buildable if you want that blinding glow, or you can keep it subtle like I have done here. To set everything, I've been using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This powder is iconic for a reason. The main benefit is that it keeps everything locked in place all day without making your skin look cakey or dry. And to finish, we've got the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray. It's like magic in a bottle. It literally locks your makeup in place for hours. It gives your skin that fresh, airbrushed look. And voila! I hope you loved this look and enjoyed exploring these products with me. Everything I've used is linked below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next Sunday for my go-to autumn foundations. Thank you for watching. Bye!